Hey guys, I am going to start a new series where I talk about pattern designing and all the ins and outs of that. I get a lot of questions about my experiences involving that, and so I thought I would do some short videos, frankly, because I'm not brave enough to do Instagram lives. That's really not my thing. I don't like being on video very much. So this at least this way I can edit things if I look too ridiculous. So I'll be adding those here and there when I have time to film them during nap time. Uh, and you can drop questions that you have in the comments section, and I will try to address them in the next video that I do. So I think one of the major questions that I get asked a lot is like how to start pattern designing, uh, or if you can. And I think the answer I usually give is that if you have original ideas and you're already making things that are original, then you can design patterns. It's not it's not really very difficult. It just takes a lot of time and getting kind of a process set up for yourself. So, um, I think that is the main thing. Like, I know, and it's hard to not to get discouraged when you look and there's millions of patterns out there, but nobody has usually explained it in the way that you can. Uh, and pattern designers are still coming up with new ideas all the time. So there's definitely room for everybody out there, which I think is the most important thing to know before you get started. Um, and then after that, it's just a matter of taking your ideas from wherever they're at in your phone, in your head, chicken scratched on paper, whatever, and getting them into a written format that people can follow. And for that, like I use just Word documents, and then I format them in PDF files for when I sell them. But there's lots of different ways that you can do that. You can use Google Drive, Word, like I do. There's formats that you can purchase online in lots of different places. So it really just kind of depends on how much you want to get involved. I've been writing patterns for a long time, and so I just have pretty much a basic format down at this point, and I just copy and paste that usually. When I start writing a new pattern, I'll just take whatever is most similar in my library of patterns, copy and paste it, and then just change the things that I need. And that makes it super simple to get the new ones going.